The San Fermin Festival in Pamplona, Spain, is a picturesque and world-famous celebration that takes place from July 7 to July 14. I chose this fascinating culture because I wanted to understand why Spanish people continue celebrating the terrifying and dangerous running of the bulls, while many countries have prohibited similar traditions. The most exciting and charming part of the festival is the freighted running of the bulls. In this dangerous event, six fierce bulls and six steers ran through the streets for 8,075 meters until they reached the bullring. The race usually lasts between 2 and 3 minutes, but when it becomes longer, the danger increases dramatically because the bulls separate from the herd. The colossal celebration is full of tradition, emotion, and music. Bride runners pray to San Fermin before the race begins. Then, a noise rocket announces the start of the wonderful festival. Thousands of people wear the striking traditional outfit, white clothes with a red scarf and sash. The colorful streets become enormous human weights of white and red. Another exciting moment happens when the mayor and council members appear on the town hall balcony while people celebrate with delicious champagne, songs, shouts, whistles, and loud excitement. I find this cultural celebration very interesting because it combines history, race, tradition, and strong emotion in a unique and unforgettable way. Bye bye.